us on our website at www.ewracing.ca, where you can also find yourself a beautiful chair. Blake went with the Sprint seat. It's a really nice seat, man. Blake's also rocking our Christmas edition sweaters.
Just printed these up in the shop 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks.
What's that? Just doing a little mock-up here, so there's a planted seat, so if we have to move the car around, it's not, you're not like sitting on the floor.
He's doing that for me, because if anyone's moving this car, it's gonna be me.
That's right.
Take the VQ out for some dirty donuts in the middle of winter.
It's tempting, man. I want to today. It's so nice out too.
I did it last year with my car, man. It's great.
And maybe I should attach to this. I was gonna say
to this,
yeah,
and then put the bracket on, and like put it to where you think you want it.
Forward and back, and then do height and angle of seat.
Otherwise,
so,
you have to unbolt it all again.
True. True.
See or feel much.
So it's as far forward on these as we can get it right now on the side mount. So any forward or back movement now has to be in the base.
So you went with the lowest non-adjustable seat mount, correct?
Yep. So this is going to be a fixed setup. So no movement. It's going to be dialed into my driving position. So it's basically just the low seat mount. So it sits super low. It's like almost sitting right on the floor. With side mounts to keep it even lower, because the bottom mount lifts it up a bit, and I think with the bottom mount you have to run slider as well.
You taking Riri with you or what?
Riri?
Riri. She's the only one that needs sound in all her cars.
Oh.
Can we play like...
Yeah, what's her name again?
We're in the Ferrari.
Riri?
Riri. Like, what's her
What's
her real name?
She was like,
oh wait, are you talking about fucking, what's...
Riri.
Fuck,
Rosie.
Rosie! Well, if Rosie is ever so kind enough to watch our fucking shit, then she can call us out on it.
What's up, Rosie? What's up, Riri?
Yeah. Otherwise, if we point this out to you, Rosie, it don't count.
Yeah.
How does
it's
that?
Actually...
Pedals?
It's not bad.
How's your sitting position?
I don't know if I want to go more upright. Lift the back end, but keep the front, lift. So the back would be one higher. No, I can reach. I can reach. I just feel like it's leaning back a little bit too much.
How's the heel toe?
A little heel toe action.
Yeah, buddy.
It's been a while. I think a notch maybe a notch forward and a notch up. So forward on the base and then up on the back. Yeah, it's definitely maybe even two. Yeah, no, I need to go forward more for sure. Because my clutch, I'm fully stretching my leg out. So maybe forward like 2-3 notches, and then up one on the base. It'll probably take some dialing. We're gonna have to, but once we get it, we get it.
Yo, you know who we should get sponsoring us? Cheezus.
Dude, that'd be sick. So cool. That'd be sick.
Yeah, Cheezus Pizza.
Sponsors us for like wing pizzas, free pizzas.
Free pizzas when we get podiums.
Yeah.
We're shop pizzas, man, for doing work at the shop.
Yeah, man.
Feed us so we can put that work in on our cars.
Oh, bro, I would straight up give him one of our trophies.
Yeah.
Like, if he becomes sponsor, I'd let him house a trophy in his pizza shop. That'd be sick.
Nice display.
Yeah.
For it too.
That'd be sick.
I don't want to be leaning back, especially with the harnesses. I want the harness to like pull my back into the seat.
Yeah.
I feel like if I'm leaning back, I'm not going to have that full connection with the car.
Yeah.
The more of my body I have attached to the car, the more in tune I am with it, and the faster I can go.
I agree. Especially when you're going like balls to the walls.
Yeah.
You don't want to be shifting. You don't want to move.
You don't want to move
The
at all.
last thing you want.
Like a piece of the car.
Yeah.
If you can get yourself to be a piece of the car, like
you're golden.
buddy, you're golden.
Yeah. Balance is, you'll feel everything.
Yeah. Driver mod.
He wants the seat so low on the passenger side.
Can't see the second shotty, seeing the first shotty, bro.
The side shotty never gets to see the camera.
Yeah, buddy already got his windows tinted, okay?
I think I got 5% tint. true. My clutch is too stiff. My clutch is too stiff.
Just kind of jump up.
My clutch pedal pushed me back. Yeah, hold it in so I can. That feels much better. That feels. See, now that we sat it upright.
You want to keep going back.
I could even drop my. No, not back, but I could even drop my seat back.
You don't want the harness to hit this.
Yeah.
But you don't want his shoulder higher than, or too much higher.
No, this will be perfect.
Yeah,
I think this is perfect. Yeah, gonna need a quick release.
We also carry the quick releases on the website.
What brands do we carry?
We carry all the best brands with quick releases. No, we have Momo, we have Sparco, we have NRG. 150 liters of gasoline this weekend and about 425 liters of vape juice.
Yeah.
Hey, speed is speed.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter how it comes. Speed is speed. We're on hour like what, 4?
I'm starting to lose track of time here.
I know.
It's getting dark out. I just want to go home.
This is what it takes to dial in some seat fitment here.
Is this what it takes to race?
This is what it takes.
So the season is just around the corner. Will we get the car done in time? Can we do it?
Find out next time.
Cutscene! 6 weeks later.
Does it feel good enough? It's either too close to the clutch pedal or too far.
Say that again.
I need my race shoes on.
It's the sweatiest thing I've ever heard in my
Just
life.
so I can see how the heel toe feels. I'm going barefoot. You want to see? Barefoot on the heel toe. Yeah. I think that's good for now, at least.
Is this gonna get you faster around the track?
Absolutely.
Yes, man.
Absolutely.
Boss has got to test the seat out.
Oh shit! Look, PK just gets in and starts breaking my car. All the bolts are snapped now.
So high.
Do you want to see your apex or not?
I want to feel it when I dip a wheel in the grass. Oh, that's the end of the track.
Yeah, move over.
Dip a wheel in the grass. Oh, end of the track.
As Ali would say, ass to grass, baby.
Oh yeah. That's Ali's.
That's his famous line.
That's a famous line by Ali.
It's his famous line when he's busy driving boats.
Oh yeah, you're gonna have a big look.
Oh, you ain't doing
Smack
that.
in the face.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Every
Every time you go around the corner.
you know why they built those seats though. So if you're paying attention to the people behind you, you just get bitch slapped.
Trying to look.
Yeah, wrong. Yeah. The people behind you will never matter. I've never seen anyone come up beside me wheel to wheel.
Really?
Never.
No, because he can't.
Probably the only person, only person who would, who will be you. It's just how big are your balls? You gonna go around the outside, TMP against the wall?
Oh yeah.
He was in the Porsche and we were going down the straight, the main straight, and I came up right behind him, got right beside him wheel to wheel, and I was gonna take him around the outside or switch back him, and then I looked into my blind spot and he was MIA. I could not see him. So I literally drove into the grass and just slowly 4 kilometers an hour waited for him, and he passed me with his finger up in the air and just took off.
I kept slowing down because we came in the corner and then I slowed down because I figured he would cut in.
Yeah.
And he slows down. Yeah. So I slowed down even more. So I stayed right in his dead spot. I'm like, okay, he's not going for it. So I go through.
If there's a gap, take it. Don't wait for that point, bro.
I'm not a real racer, apparently.
Yeah. Why does the passenger seat have so many? Yeah, Riri, you're getting no safety now. All your airbags are getting unplugged. Somebody buy it.
Oh, buddy, this is clean. I could actually drive in this.
You like the position?
Yeah, bro, I could actually drive your car.
I believe it. I sit close. I like it really close.
You sit really close.
Because I like to have full control over pedals and everything else.
That's fair.
I want to feel completely in tune. I'll throw that up there. I'm gonna have to cut the knob off and then pull the shifter out from the
bottom.
Like disconnect it from the bottom, cut the shifter off so I can get the boot off, and then pull it all up.
Does the trans have to come out then?
No,
okay.
But guess what I found? This one's for the camera too. Went through my toolbox for the first time in a little while. I was looking for some rust proofing stuff.
Yeah.
And I found a bag that said, it was a sandwich bag, it said pressure plate bolts. Do you know how many was left over in there?
Too many.
Too many.
Fuck, bro.
I found 2 pressure plate bolts that just so happened to not make it back into my car last time I did my clutch.
Guess we're pulling the trans.
It's always good when you find little souvenirs like
Weight
that.
reduction. we tested without 2 on the track and it was okay. We pulled 3 the first time. when thing went to shit.
Yeah, but two was the magic number.
2 was the magic number.
Yeah. We're gonna change it again in 20 minutes. Yeah, actually, it's it's not right.
The seat is shit.
Yeah.
Total.
No, Mikey, no. This is so not right.